Today I will discuss this recommender system lecture 11 in your course. Okay, so what we will do today, let's go like this. Let's go like this. Okay, so what are the topics that we will cover in this lecture 11? What are the popular recommendations systems we use, and how many types of uh, filtering we can do for your data? So these things we will see in this lecture 11. Okay, recommender system. So basically, what is this recommender system? Okay, so recommender system is like advising. Okay, next semester which are the best courses for you. So your advisor will decide and tell you this courses you have to study. So similarly, when you go to buy some product online or in the shop, how you will buy? Suppose you go to a particular shop. For example, you go where to buy clothes. Okay, imagine you went to souk. Okay, you went to souk to buy clothes. How you will buy clothes in the shop?
By searching for the size, color,
You yourself will do without any other help.
maybe by asking
You will ask the person there. Okay, so you may ask him like which is the best design, which is the best quality in cloth. Like this you will ask him, then he will say that okay, take this is the 1 2 3, these are the three items very best for you. Then what you will say, you will choose any one of them, and he is advising you to buy this item. You take this item, this is very good, like that he is telling, he is recommending you. Similarly, like you watch any movies, Netflix, Amazon, do you watch Netflix? When you watch any movie, like say example, you are watching any comedy movie or some cartoon movie. Okay, Tom and Jerry you are watching. If you watch Tom and Jerry, next time when you again log in into Netflix, what you will see? Huh? Same type of movies they will show you recommendations. Yani Panda, Kung Fu Panda, Ice Age, Transylvania. So these are all the categories of cartoon movies. So since you saw Tom and Jerry, they are showing you this list of similar kind of products or the items they are showing you. Okay, similarly, like when I go to Amazon or any website, and when I buy some book or something, Amazon, uh, for example, like this, if I go and log in here, Okay, for example, here I search what is it? So now I am watching this book, I am seeing this book. Okay, so I am doing something like this. Then I will go again to home, or I log out, then again I log in. So it will show me next time also some books. Yeah, see here why it is showing this one. I added Python book. Then it is showing me this one. See, machine learning using Python. This textbook, deep learning and AI, deep thinking. These are all the recommended books for me. Since my choice is this one, so I selected this book. Because of this, the Amazon is showing me all. See this one, customer who viewed these books. They also viewed these books. They are asking me, why don't you buy these books also? So that is what this lecture is about, recommender system. Okay. So where is it? Okay. See, these are the normal, traditional type of recommendations. I told you just now, you go to souk, you ask the salesman, okay, what items you want. So you want food, you want medicine, okay. If you ask, he will give you that, which one is the best medicine for fever. He will give Omal, Panadol, like this. Huh? When you go to restaurant, okay, you ask today which one is the good food, so he will give you some pizza, cheese pizza or something, whichever is more popular or whichever is very tasty, something like this. This is traditional way of getting the advising, yani recommendations. But nowadays we use this one, Amazon, just now I show you, Twitter, Netflix. So these websites you will use, where you will get recommendation about the products what you buy. Okay, so here the examples they have shown to you like this, but if I tell you these examples you may feel confusing, so I will give one more example for you. Now see, what is this one? Can you see what is this one? No, list of lists. Okay, uh, inside this you have, see, this is the choice of first user, yani user like Hadoop means it's a framework, big data. These are all the titles of technology, big data, HBase, Java, Spark. First user, second user choice are this one, third, fourth, fifth, like this 15 users are there, their choices, what they like, the programming language. Okay, so here you don't have any person to tell you which one is best. No salesman, no librarian, or no other person. So how you will recommend me the which one is the best one? So based on your interests, or based on what you already studied. Okay, suppose I show you now Python book, similar books will be given to you from this one. Okay. So that is what our manual approach while recommendation of the products. Okay. So this will be like, if you go to shop, only how many, for example, 30 customers go at the same time. Can the person advise you which one is best, which one is not best? You are going 30 people together in the shop. That one person or 5 person is there. Can they advise you which one is good, which one is not good, like that? he cannot attend all the 15 30 students or 30 customers. It's very difficult. Yani, when the choice is becoming, the users are limited, okay, the person you can ask. If the users are unlimited, he cannot guide you, he cannot help you. So that is the drawback in manual system. So that is the reason we go for the recommendation system, which is very popular in your nowadays, like Python or using machine learning. Okay, so that is a very easy approach now. See, from this one, from the user lists, you have a list here, 15 lists are there, this one. You count total 15. Okay, then, so following list of tuples can be computed. Yani from there, what are the users? Yani see, fourth user is interested in Python. Fourth user might get the recommendation for R language. See here. Can you see 0, 1, 2, 3? Third user, R, Python, statistics, regression, probability. For the third user, you are recommending what? Java. Yani you are telling study Java also. It is a good book. You have studied R, you have studied Python, you have studied statistics, regression, probability. Now you study also Java. That is the recommendation for this user. Okay. Then likewise, the fourth user is this guy. See here, there is no Python, no Java, no R. Yani you can recommend them those technologies to study or to learn. So this is how the recommendation works. Okay. So the example shows that only now here. Now, see what is there is one type of recommending system which is very popular. The simply popular overall means which item is more popular. Now iPhone 14 or 13 Pro Max is more popular. So you will suggest your friend buy iPhone 13 Pro Max, which is the best one. Like that you will advise to your friend. If you have purchased that, you will suggest the same to the other person because it is very popular. So this code, what they have given is something like that here. See, most popular interests. You submit the list to this method, and that it will find out the frequency, yani which user is using the most popular language. Then it will show you the result. But I will not show you this one. I will show you some other program. So this is something, a small example how the interest you can find out from the list of users, the previous list. So actually how they will prepare is they will prepare a list of vectors. Interested means 1, not interested means 0, liked means 1, unliked means 0. So that is given like this here. See here, this is the vector for your user interests. 1 means you like that product, 0 means you don't like that product. So like this, all the choices for your items what you see in the website or in the shop, something like this. Okay. So similar users have comparable items. Similar users, yani Shahad and Athari both studied Python, then their interests are matching. Okay, that means you will Shahad will suggest to Athari that you learn also Python with machine learning. Now you studied only Python. Later she will suggest to Athari that learn Python with machine learning because both are having same interests. Both are having Python programming language interests. Okay, so that vector example is given here. Practically, I will show you the program, run the program and show you the output. Then you can understand. But before that, some formulae you need to learn. So that concept is this one called similarity. The concept, mathematical concept here they use is, uh, which one they use here is cosine similarity. This is the one type of mathematical model is used for recommendation. Another one, Euclidean algorithm. Okay, uh, this one cosine, Euclidean, and another one is there. So these are the popular algorithms or mathematical formulas applied for the recommendation system. So you want to develop one recommendation system means you have to use either this one or this method, or there is one more method. I will tell you that name I am not getting now. Okay, so these are the mathematical models we use. So now what is that discussed here is cosine similarity. Suppose cosine similarity is what I will tell, like you have a graph, for example, uh, imagine you have a graph. Okay, x-axis, y-axis. So this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. Okay, here you have like angle uh, 0. Imagine you have something like this here. This is for example Atari. This is Shahad. Okay, so yani you have some data. This one and this one. Now what do you think, what is the angle between this one? How many degrees it will be?
45.
Yeah, 50 or 45, that it is 90, no? This is 0, this is 90 degrees. So this will be like 45 degrees or something like this. Okay, 45 degrees, something like this one. Now what is this concept? This concept is cosine similarity. Yani cosine similarity means is equal to cos theta. I don't know how to put the symbol here.
We know it.
No, you know, I want to put it there. Symbol. I want the symbol there. This one. Cos, now cos theta value is 45. So how much it will be now? What is the value you get? Cos 45 degrees. How much? Cos for calculator.
Yes.
How much?
We don't have calculator.
Use in your mobile. In the exam, you will use mobile. Now you don't use mobile.
In exam,
Hmm.
use mobile.
All students use mobile, no? Okay, now you tell me now. 0.7 something will come value. 0.7 exactly how much? 7? 2, 3 digits tell. 7, 5, 3 or something. 0.5 5253, okay, something like this. Okay, okay, this is the one. And for example, I will say another one. Instead of this one, now imagine this is the value of shahad. Shahad interest is here, okay, and athari interest is here. I will tell. Wait. Huh? Now what is the angle now? Now what is the angle? How much angle? How much is cos 90? 0. Cos 90 degrees is equal to 0. I want to show the difference to you. Now another one I will show. So have patience little. If I show you the slide and explain, you will get bored. That's why I am showing now some example. So now the point is this is shahad, or I will say Khadija. And here is that girl. What is that girl? Rukhaya. Now tell me what is the angle? 0. Cos how much? Angle is how much now? 0 degrees. What is the value of cos 0? 1. So if the distance, one more thing is here is cosine distance. If the distance is nearer, that means you will get the output as cosine similarity 1. If the distance is far, see here the distance, sorry. Here the distance between Shahad and Athari, see, very far away. That means they are not having any similarity. Here also 45 degrees. distance is more, but here the angle, distance, even though the distance is little bit far, but same angle. So cos 0 means you will get one value. So whenever you get one, that means the user having similar interests. So both Khadija and Rukaya are interested in, for example, Java programming. Okay, so that is what this concept called cosine similarity. So the value should be equal to 1. 1 means your interests are same. Okay, 1 means the interests are same. Now when you write the formulae, see, this is the formulae, how we calculate using our Python language. This is a definition, like a function. So here vectors VW, yani I am saying that this is Shahad is V, Athari is W, Khatija is V, Rukaya is W. Okay, you understand this one? Cosine similarity it is called. This is called cosine similarity. So it shows that when the distance is very less and the angle is 0, that means your interests are matching. You have similar interests. When the value is close to 1, 0 means they are not matching. Okay, so this is the formulae, cosine formulae. I will show you that. Now same thing what I discussed now. See this, for example, this is one person. I imagine Shahad and Tariq. They watch Iron Man movie and also they watch Pride and Prejudice movie. And Shahad has given star rating 4. You know star rating, no?
Yes.
So that star rating 4 she has given for this movie, and for this movie 3. And Atari has given 5 for this movie, 5 for this movie. So you have to, this is your vector, first user vector, this is the second user vector, this one. Now this is the cosine similarity formula. Mathematical formula is this one. B into C by magnitude of B, magnitude of C. Okay, you multiply here and you find the product of each vector magnitude here. Now see, I told you now the angle here, 4 comma 3, 5 comma 5. 4 comma 3 is your vector, 5 comma 5 is your vector. Athar is this one, this is Shahar. Now you substitute these values into this one. So you will get this much. And then magnitude means square root of 4 square plus 3 square is 5. Then square root of 5 square plus 5 square is this one. Now you apply these values in this formula. You will get the value nearly 1, 0.98. Yani equal to 1. See the distance here, not much far, but here very far. So when the distance is far, that means the interests are not same, they are dissimilar. When the interests are, yani the distance is very near, the interests are same. So this is what called cosine similarity, which is used in our recommendation systems. Is this clear with this one? So this formula what I am showing you, that is this one. Okay, when we write the program, we have to write like this in the Python. Okay, so when you pass the list to that one, it will show you the what are the what is the value you are getting. Producing the vectors means what? This is the vector, this one. This is the vector of first user, vector of second user. Then you are multiplying, finding the product, those things you are doing. So to find the similarity. So in this slides, what example they have shown is, in the first slide they have given the list. So that list they are passing in this methods, cosine similarity methods. I will show another example to you. But understand the concept here. What is the meaning of cosine similarity? Multiple choice, you will get this question. If the cosine similarity value is equal to 1, what does it mean? Okay, for example, in recommender system, if the cosine similarity value is uh, approximately equal to 1, then the users have dash plus. Okay, if the value is equal to 1 means both users are having same interests. If the value is and it's not equal to 1, then it is dissimilar. Okay, so that is the one. So finding the similar users, how do you find that? Things they have shown to you here. But I will go with one more example. First, I need to explain you two types of filtering. To find the similar users or products, we have certain methods. So what are they? That I will explain after that. This. Then here where it is that, yeah, this one. Item based collaborative filtering is one type of technique. Another type of technique is user, which one? User, another is item based, and what is, where is the another one? User based. So user based, item based filtering. Okay, user based filtering or item based filtering we will apply. So here what are the more popular for you? I want to show. This we are talking about this one, collaborative filtering. So item based or user based is one. Now see, in the recommendation system, how do we recommend? This is the sample way. First one is content based move. This is to recommend the movie. So you have user 1 like movie 1, user 1 like also movie 2. Okay. And for the other users, he will recommend this type of movie because he also watched this one. So here I want to say, what I want to say you is this I will say first of all, cosine similarity for your course Okay, next is, okay, now what I am discussing to you is content based filter recommendation. Content based filtering or recommendation. Content based filtering. For example, there is a user 1. User 1. Okay. User 1 has watched movie 1. He has watched movie 2 and 3. Okay. Movie 1 is of type action movie. Okay. And this one like adventure movie. And this one again like action movie. User 1. So another user, and also he has given the star rating 5 stars. He has given for this movie 4 stars. Okay, and he has given again like 5 stars, 3 stars. This is user 1 data. So likewise there is one more user, user 2, who has watched movie 1, okay, which is an action movie. Okay, and he has watched movie 2. Now in this scenario, this user, what will recommend for user 2 is, since you have the same interests, so user 1 will recommend movie 3 for user 2. So user 2 will get the recommendation to watch movie 3, which is an action movie, because of same interests. You understand here what interests both are common in user 1 and user 2. So based on that, this movie is given as a recommendation to this user. So this is called content based filtering. Understood? Understood or not? Another one what you have is collaborative filtering. Collaborative based. So collaborative means it's based on your behavior. Now we have seen content means the item. You are referring the item. Watch movie 3 also. But here now, based on your behavior, you will recommend the items to the other user in the collaborative filtering. Okay. So that is a difference between content based filtering and collaborative filtering. Okay. Here in the collaborative, it's based on your behavior. Okay. It's based on your behavior. For example, Netflix, Amazon, etc. Examples are this one for this. So as I told you that, for example, here the data for this one, like you have user 1, okay, he bought, for example, you bought what, Python book, okay. For that you gave star rating as 4 or 5, imagine like that. Then next one you bought uh, Java book. For that you gave star rating as 4 or something like that. Then again you bought C++ book, okay, star rating maybe 5. Then PHP book, star rating maybe like 3 you give. This is your user 1 interest. Then user 2, imagine like you have Python book you also purchased with rating 5, okay. Another one like Java book with rating 5, okay. Another one like C++ book with rating 4 or 3. So here what are your interests? See, user 1 and user 2 behavior is very much the same here. They are having same characteristics. So in this scenario, based on your behavior, based on behavior or characteristics, PHP book is recommended to user 2. Same concept, but here we see for the behavior. Previously we saw the item. We are telling that specifically this one only you watch. Now we are saying, since you have bought same type of books, why don't you buy this book? Okay, so this is the behavior based, okay, user behavior, okay. Now program I want to show you is, I have downloaded the data set which is known as this one. This is the online data you have for the movies. So I downloaded from I think okay, I downloaded from some Kaggle, I think Kaggle website. There is a Kaggle.com which is famous for providing data sets, open data sets. See this one, TMDB 5000, yani 5000 MB of data they are providing you free, this one. So I downloaded that file. So that file is this one. Where is that file? CSV. Yeah, this one. So it contains the movies information and the star rating information like that in this one. When I open this, it's a very big file. See, like this you have the information about the movies. These are the title of the movies: Superman, Avatar, okay, Spider-Man, etc., etc., like this. Free data we have downloaded, and we are trying to analyze and recommend which is the best movie for you. So for that This is the Python program which uses some libraries called as pandas. Pandas is the library you need to install before you run this program. Pandas library. You need to install this one. Small command pip install pandas like this. How to install pandas? Okay, the command is just pip install pandas. You have to do on this console on the command prompt where you are writing the program. See, this is the output I will show you. Okay. Here you have to install like this pip install what is that pandas library like that. Then it will install the software. After that you have to import here like this. Then read the file. What is the file I downloaded here? This file I am trying to read CSV file, this one. Okay, in the pandas there is a method. What is the name of method is read CSV. And I am trying to print. I am trying to print the first 10 records. Head means there are some 50,000 or 100,000 records. So we cannot display here all those things. So only 10 I am displaying. Okay, so for that this command. Also movies file I am uploading, that is stored in this variable and the credits in this variable. Both you are trying to merge, yani combine based on the movie ID, what is common between both primary key, foreign key, that is there. So when you do all these things, finally this is the method I am calling give recommendation for avatar. This value will be passed in this method and it will recommend you the same type of movies, 10 movies. Example, see here like this. So when I run this one, hmm? Still my system has become slow. Okay, see here, this is the data it is computing, it's calculating, still it's calculating because the files are big. Can you see this one movie ID? This is from the first file, this is from the second file. Now see what is the final output for the avatar is. Now, students see, based on that movie, the same type of movies it is displaying to me. What movie I passed as input? This one, Avatar. Anybody watch this movie? Action movie. So based on that, what are the popular other action movies? These are the other popular action movies. Matrix. Huh? I have seen this one, Matrix. And then I have seen this one, Tears of the Sun. I don't know about you, what you have seen. So these are the popular movies, 10 top movies. So this is the recommendation for me. Suppose I want to change another movies. I don't know what are the other movies in that file because it's a very big file. So you have to change the data here. For example, this one, Spider-Man I will give, okay. You understand what I am doing here? What is this command? Where I am passing the data? Where I am passing? In this method. This is the method, function. Give rec. Rec means recommendation. Title of the movie I am passing, and it is applying many techniques like sigma, those things it is computing here. Then it is displaying me the top 10. Yani see here, 1 to 10, 1 to 11 means 10 movies it will display. So I will give here like spider. I don't know whether the spelling is correct or not. Okay. So again I have to run the program. So based on the, if you watch Spider-Man, what are the other recommended movies for you? I think this name is not there. Or maybe the spelling is different. If I open this one. Based on the title, this one. Dash is there. This one. Okay, see, based on Spider-Man, these are the recommendations for me. I watched 3, so they're saying that watch 2 also, watch part 1 also, this one, blah 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 blah. So this is the recommendation system, what it will suggest you based on cosine similarity. Okay, cosine similarity and the sigma functions. So the recommendation system basically it works like this. So step by step, if you want to learn, then you go for, I will give you the link. All those stuffs are here. This all you need to have the interest, then only it will be easier for you. See this one, item based recommendation system. So these are the based on cosine similarity. This is the value 1, high, popular, and this one, see, ratings. Based on the ratings, they are displaying the top 5 movies. Another recommendation, user based. So there are many users. So this, for this user, this is the recommendation based on the star rating. So like this, there are many things. So basically what is the idea is to develop a recommendation engine, recommendation system. So this is how you will work with